Here we have an open-faced military pocket watch by Hamilton. This is an American company who supplied both the British and American armed forces during the Second World War. The engraving to the case back describes this as a navigation master watch. This would have been a precision timepiece used as a deck watch by the Royal Navy. The HS refers to the Hydrographic Service. This was a part of the Navy responsible for producing charts. The 3992B indicates that it was made for the Canadian or British forces. The Americans used the designation 4992B, which was the same watch but with a different dial. The remainder of the engraving refers to the specific contract that this watch was supplied under. The use of 23 jewels in a simple three-hand watch shows that this was made to a very high grade. The watch has a central seconds rather than a subdial for improved visibility, and the watch has a hacking function. The second hand stops when the crown is pulled out. This allows the time to be set much more accurately. This watch is listed as lot 361 and has an estimate of £200 to £300.